I am Jacob with Mama Four Boys.
I'm Brad from Mama Four Boys.
And I'm Tommy from Mama Four Boys. And tonight we're going to be taste testing the new Detroit style pizza from Pizza Hut.
We have double pepperoni, meat lovers, and supreme, and brownie.
So we're going to start with the double pepperoni.
Here, just grab each of you a piece.
Thank you.
Self one.
Let's give it a try. Dig in.
No sauce, like at all. But
The sauce is on the top.
really,
Yeah,
So it tastes good.
it tastes really good.
Yeah,
it's
I like it.
garlic bread.
We'll have one more bite of this. I think it was good.
Next up is meat lovers.
All right.
Okay, this is the
Meat lovers.
meat
style.
lovers. We ready, guys? Here we go.
It was decent.
It tastes good. I think there should be more toppings on it.
Yeah,
You know, that's more toppings should be.
or a little more sauce.
Yeah, I like this one more than this one now.
Maybe
The
we
bread's
should
nice
move.
though.
Maybe we should move this box. Okay.
Alright, next up is this one.
This is the supreme.
Yep.
All right, ready? Let's try the supreme. That tastes good.
I think that's my favorite one.
Mine too.
It's got green peppers on it. And
Yeah, the bell peppers, really.
Let me get one more try. Okay. Brad, which one do you like the best?
I like the Supreme the best. I think that has the most toppings on it, and
Jacob, what do you like the best?
The supreme because extra sauce, and I don't like sausage, so there's not as much sausage on this one.
Okay. I like the double pepperoni the best, so I think it was really good.
Why do you think it was really good?
It had lots of pepperoni on it, and it was more evenly made to me.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and we're gonna be back after we eat, and we're gonna taste test the brownie.
See you soon.
Oh, do you guys want to rate them?
What do you rate it as?
I give this one like a 7, this one like an 8, and that one like an 8.5.
Okay.
Okay, Jacob?
I give that one 7, 6, 8.
Okay, I say an 8, like a 6 and a 6.
Okay, well, we'll be back.
I'll be back.
Hi, I'm Jacob with the Mama Four Boys, and today I'm going to be taste testing brownies from Pizza Hut. They're very moist, they're very chewy, and even like after eating the pizzas before this and driving over here, the chocolate chips are still gooey. So you should definitely buy this. It is a bit expensive for what you get. It's
Show 'em your pizza.
here's the tin for it. Of course, we already have some, but yeah, it's about 3/4 thick as compared to the dinner plate. So it's definitely not very much, and it was $7, so you should definitely buy this. Please like, share, and subscribe, and God bless.